Usher is performing at the Super Bowl, so I'm making these fried, there goes my baby, back ribs. Shout out to my boo who removed the membrane and cut up these ribs for me. And if you're part of the pork police, you can keep scrolling because in my house, swan is fine. I'm using some mustard to bind Court in the Kitchen's counter slap seasoning to my ribs. In a separate bowl, I'm just going to add some plain flour, some salt, some paprika, and some more of Court in the Kitchen's counter slap seasoning. And oh my God, it is so good. After giving everything a good whisk, I'm just going to add my seasoned ribs to my flour mixture. Once your ribs are coated, add them to a wire rack so they can rest. Y'all know I love having fun in the kitchen, so I don't mind having a good time. Now that your ribs are floured and seasoned, let's work on that peach glaze. Of course, I'm using Miss Lena's homemade peach preserves, which is produced by me, spilling the sweet tea. To a jar of peach preserves, I'm going to add some apple cider vinegar, a little bit of hot sauce, some black pepper, as well as some paprika, some onion powder and garlic powder, and brown sugar. I also added some salt and some chipotle chili powder. And baby, after this sauce simmered, it was good. I then fried up my ribs and made sure not to let them burn. These fried, there goes my baby back ribs were so delicious. You don't gotta call, but you can like and follow and grab my cookbook, Memories on a Plate, which is linked in my bio.